Let us do the first exercise. Fill in the blanks. Okay, kids, now let's count and find the number of matchsticks. Here we have one bundle of 10 matchsticks. Let us count the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 matchsticks. So one bundle of 10 matchsticks and 8 matchsticks is equal to 18 matchsticks. Kids, let's do the next exercise. Let us count and find the number of matchsticks. Here we have one bundle of 10 matchsticks. Let's count for the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 matchsticks. So, one bundle of 10 matchsticks and 5 matchsticks is equal to 15 matchsticks.